Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another Polène bag. Today, we have another unboxing video of a new release. It's not exactly a new design, just a mini version of a bag Polène released last year. And that bag is the Mokki Mini. I've seen so many people talking about it. They really wanted a Mokki Mini when the regular size was released last year. Looks like Polène listened to us. Now we finally have the mini version. The design is basically the same as the original Mokki, just in a smaller size. I don't see any differences in the design. Even the lock is exactly the same. They've kept the details like the smooth leather peeking out at the four corners. It's all just miniaturized. But when I hold the Mokki Mini, it actually feels sturdier. The interior is also the same. It has the same compartment as the original Mokki. It even comes with a strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody bag. There are two main compartments, plus a back pocket for small items. Let's see what fits inside. I'll pack my essentials, my wallet, my phone, and my glasses. Everything fits perfectly, and I still have some space for more. What do you think? Isn't this bag adorable?